Hi there, it's Fedai and Murad. Today I'm gonna talk about how does learn the machine. Okay, first of all, we suppose that have our brain and catch life successful for it. Okay then, if I say computer brains also works kind of same of the ours, guess you would just say to me that's overstatement, but unfortunately not. I'm explaining right now. Let's think. How well decision that's true or false? Hot or cold? Yes, through our past experience. Meaning have input, therefore reacted. I'll show you 2 minutes with examples. We have two sides. Dog team, cats team. Who will better? But will previously look over human neural cell at beginning level. As you know, fire is a hot. Yes, it's right. However, if you have not been feel the fire, what would you do? Hand is touch the fire. Here I got curious. Won't touch it. He understand that it's painful something. Whenever see hot something, he try move away there anymore. See you later next chapter. If you love this video and you want similar videos, you can click subscribe button and like this video. Thank you very much.